This monitor is a perfect example of how far display technology has come. The MSI MPG 341 CQPX QD-OLED is a 34-inch ultra-wide curved gaming monitor that immediately impresses with its size, curve, and visual quality. At 3440 by 1440 resolution, it provides a workspace and gaming environment that feels expansive yet immersive. The subtle curvature wraps around your field of view, pulling you deeper into everything on screen and making movies, games, and productivity tasks feel more engaging. What sets this display apart is the QD-OLED panel. QD-OLED brings a combination of high contrast, deep blacks, and vibrant colors that simply stand out. The True Black HDR 400 feature ensures that shadows have depth without washing out details, while highlights pop with brightness and clarity. Scenes in games or movies look layered and realistic, and the overall color performance is far more vivid compared to standard LCD or IPS panels. This isn't just a monitor. It's a window into a more detailed, visually rich world. Performance is another highlight. With a 240 Hz refresh rate and a lightning-fast 0.03 milliseconds response time, motion feels fluid and instantaneous. There is virtually no blur or ghosting, making fast-paced games feel exceptionally smooth. Every frame lands precisely when it should, which is critical for competitive shooters, racing games, and high-speed strategy titles. The combination of OLED response and high refresh makes gameplay feel incredibly responsive, almost as if the visuals are anticipating your moves. The ergonomics are well thought out. Tilt and height adjustments allow for a personalized setup, while the slight curve reduces eye strain during long gaming or work sessions. This flexibility is ideal for those who switch between extended gaming, office work, or creative projects. The ultra-wide format is particularly effective for multitasking, letting users place multiple applications or timelines side by side without feeling cramped. Connectivity options include HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C, offering a streamlined setup for laptops, desktops, and modern devices. USB-C not only delivers video but can also charge compatible devices, reducing cable clutter. It's the kind of convenience that makes a professional or gaming workspace feel neat and efficient. Everyday use demonstrates why this monitor is worth considering. Text is sharp, dark modes stay truly black, and images maintain consistent brightness and contrast. Watching movies or streaming content feels cinematic, with deep blacks and accurate colors creating a rich visual experience. Gaming is equally impressive. The ultra-wide format combined with OLED color depth and HDR creates a sense of immersion that standard displays can't match. Environments feel alive, with subtle details becoming noticeable and bright areas appearing dazzling without being harsh. While OLED technology has some concerns regarding burn-in, MSI has implemented several preventive measures. Features such as pixel shift, panel refresh, and automatic screen maintenance help extend the panel's lifespan, ensuring that colors remain vibrant over time without long-term image retention issues. Overall, this monitor is ideal for gamers, content creators, or anyone who values immersive visuals and performance. It's not just about the specs. It's about the experience. Deep blacks, vibrant colors, ultra-fast response, high refresh rate, and a curved ultra-wide panel all combine to create a display that feels premium in every sense. It elevates gaming, productivity, and media consumption to an entirely new level. If you want to buy this MSI MPG 341 CQPX QD-OLED 34-inch curved gaming monitor, please visit the link provided in the description.